Hello, David here, and the project for today is removing a dead battery in a Phillips Sonicare HX684A toothbrush. And you got two options here. You can try to replace the battery. I've done a couple of videos on replacing a battery in these things. Even though they're sealed for life, it is possible to open them up. Your other option, you should open it up and dispose of the battery properly at a recycle center. Not supposed to throw these in the trash because the lithium batteries are bad for the environment. So if you want to remove the battery without breaking the case, I found that if you could put a lag bolt in through the charging port, screw it in there. I needed a wrench to do that. And then you pull on it. Let's go. There you go. You could pull that plug out. And there's an O-ring in there, and there's no screw or anything. That's just a pressure fit that holds it in there. And then I think we got to, let me get a wood block.
Dang, I bent it. Dang, really stubborn.
I should have watched my video from 4 years ago. I had to pry this charging armature off. And prying on this thing could damage the recharging coils. Finally able to pry this thing out of here, but I destroyed the winding. That thing won't recharge now. It's good for nothing. Well, that is a grungy mess. You're a dirty girl. Take that crappy old battery out of there. This side's not soldered. This side, yeah, I think the solder broke. This side was soldered. What kind of battery do we have here? Just for the heck of it. 750 milliamp. POHC, part number 3000-048-53212. I don't know if that means anything. 14500 CY, 3.6 volt. Well, that's what you have to solder back in there. If you can get this thing out without destroying the charging wires. You can see there's water damage in here. But anyway, I'm going to toss this and I'm going to recycle the battery. That's where I'm at. Got to be really gentle taking this thing apart. For future reference, we're looking at the button side control panel here. These are the locking tabs. One on this side, one over there on that side. So you need two probes to push in on those while you pull the unit out, and that way you won't damage anything. If you look inside the case, here's the button side. Looking inside, you see that slot, and then adjacent to that, there's that slot. Hope that helps. My overall impression is that a lot of water got inside the unit and it caused corrosion. and I think corrosion caused the contacts to break off of the battery. The battery has no charge, so I don't think it was ever charged at the last time it was used. And my recommendation is to only get the brush head wet and then wipe the rest of it down with a towel. Don't let any water get in there, because even though it's got an O-ring here, water's getting in. Might be getting in from this end. Phillips, not sure. And I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.